everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce you a new topic which are called conditional statements. Conditional statements include what? If-else statements and switch cases. So I'm going to introduce you a shorter definition of this topic, and we're going to solve some practice activities which are coding, and we'll see the results in the further parts of the video. So let's continue. Okay, if-else statements. If-else statement is a conditional statement as it named as a title. There are some conditions that we apply while writing the code. If I can give you an example, let's give an example about the weather. If the weather is rainy, what we have to do? As a first option, take an umbrella, which is a first condition. And if the weather isn't rainy, which we can say that there is sun and it doesn't have any rainy condition, then we don't have to take any umbrella, which we can say that there are two conditions. And if I can give you a visual explanation, I have a tree lamp, which means three conditions. As a first condition, I'm checking if this lamp has any batteries, then turn this on. It's turned on. And if the second condition, if the second lamp doesn't contain any battery, then it should be turned off, remained as turned off. Then the last condition is an invalid statement, which doesn't comply our conditions. That means we have three statements and we check the two options. If the two options doesn't comply, then the last option is an invalid statement. And the correct statement should be printed as a result. If we check the open condition, then the result should be yes. And if we check the second option, which doesn't comply to our result, then the result is going to be the false answer. And if it's neither of them, then the result is going to be an invalid. Now the conditional statement, so when the visual explanation is done, we can pass to our coding examples. Let's go. Let's start writing our code. As our main method, we have to give a condition, which is number 10. We are gonna check in the if statement, if this number is greater than 0, which is correct, then print us that this number is positive, as a basic example. Then, which we can see that the condition is true, the result is going to be the number is positive, which the condition is correct, number is greater than 0, and the result is given. And as a next example, we are going to check if the number is negative or a positive number. Let's say our number is negative 5. And in the if statement, if number is greater than 0, then the result is going to be the number is positive. Else, the number is negative. And what do you think the answer is going to be? Of course, the second statement. It's also light up. You see that the number is negative is the correct answer. The number is negative. This time let's check for three conditions. If the number is 0, as a first condition, if number is greater than 0, the number is positive, the number is positive, and else if the number is less than 0, then the number is negative. Else, the third condition is the number is 0. As we can see, the condition lights up and our number is 0, and the correct answer is going to be the number is 0. As a final example, let's use the switch case statement. And I would like to check the days of the week, and which day? Wednesday, which is third day of the week. And we should say the day is third, which is, let's say, 1 is Monday, 2 is Tuesday, and etc. And inside the switch case, we should include the day of the information. And for case 1, the statement is Monday. And we break. For each condition, the condition should break to take out one correct result from each separate cases. And for second case, we check Tuesday, which is Wednesday. So UT and Sunday. Then the final case is the default statement, which is an invalid statement. That means there are some parts that missing in the code and it's invalid statement. And if we check the code, which we don't have any incorrect parts in the code, and when we run it, we can see that our condition is found in the code and it's correct. The case is found out. Let's see in the background how these conditional statements work as a figure. If we have the first statement as a number is 11, and we check if the statement is less than 0, the number is negative, else the number is positive. If the statement is negative, then we go false. Else the number is positive, then the statement is true. Then we go to an end as a result. Basically, this is how it works. The condition was coming to an end of the video, so I have shown you which the condition is true, and I hope you understood it well. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my video. If you have any questions, please write it to comments. I'm going. Have a nice day. Bye.